This is how I produced a professional commercial for under 1,000 bucks. I shot it on my Canon SL3, which if you look on Amazon goes for about 500 bucks renewed. I captured audio on these surprisingly good Amazon mics that go for about 30 bucks. I used the DJI RSC gimbal, try to say that 3 times fast, which goes for about 300 bucks. And most importantly, the lens I used was a 24-70 2.8, which when paid in full goes for about 1,300 bucks. But when I first got it, I financed it, so I only had to pay about 130 bucks a month for about a year. Full disclosure, I have upgraded all of my equipment since then, but I challenge you to be able to tell a difference from the video that you're gonna see at the end, or if you wanna look at it now, here's the time code, to this video, which was shot on my Canon R8. By the way, I mainly shoot weddings. If you're interested in seeing any of that, I have a full playlist with a bunch of stuff that I shoot with that, as well as a bunch of other playlists of all of the content that I professionally produce because I am a full-time filmmaker. Shout out that guy. All right, let's go straight into how I did this thing.
I'm in my zone.
The hardest part, which is booking the client, I had taken care of almost a year ago simply by posting on social media. So I honestly really recommend you throw out as much quality content as possible because it can and will lead to paying clients. I had posted this video. It's a cinematic montage of a beautiful town here in Iowa called Pella. The airport manager saw it and decided she wanted a videographer for their annual air show. So we hopped on a call, settled on a price, and I showed up with my Canon SL3 with the kit lens and this off-brand gimbal. This thing's like 200 bucks, you guys. This was my real first client, and I was a little insecure showing up with the equipment that I had, but it is not about the equipment, and as a great man once said,
fake it till you make it.
so I show up with a good attitude and I knock it out of the park. I ended up delivering 3 different videos. If you want to see any of them, here they are. They're on my channel, and I believe that they're proof that if you're willing to put in the work, you can accomplish a lot with a little. Or even better said, size doesn't matter. Okay? All right? Because I killed it with those videos, the Knoxville airport has continued to come back to me for their video needs, which is what led me to booking them for this commercial. Not only that, I feel like this is more important. Those videos led me to booking other clients, which led me to being able to upgrade my equipment, which led me to being able to produce better videos. So I booked more clients, and then I upgraded my equipment. And then ultimately, this led me into becoming a full-time self-employed person or full-time filmmaker. Here's Parker again. Most of the videos I've made for those clients are available here on this channel. Go ahead and check them out, but only if you subscribe, because I made a deal with my father and stepdad, Jake Weiser and Nate Tehan, that when I get to 10,000 subscribers on this channel, they will come on the channel. So help a brother out. Now for this video, the lovely airport manager and I had a booking call in which she told me what her needs were for this commercial. She wanted her and her team to be shown as the professionals that they are. She wanted me to show off the services that they offered, which included a flight school and helicopter repair. She also wanted me to show their venue from the ground and the air, which meant your boy got a private flight. Funny story, the first time that I filmed for them, I went on a 2-seat doorless airplane. After I was done filming with my SL3, I had it like on a strap. The pilot says, you want to see something cool? Before I could answer, he does this with his controller. So I was like immediately parallel with the ground, and it was absolutely terrifying yet thrilling. But it was a pretty simple shoot due to that call. I filmed all that stuff, and I also filmed a couple airplanes taking off. I filmed their gas station. I filmed a little bit of the helicopter and the helicopter repairs, some shots from the air. As a matter of fact, my 24-70 didn't get me as wide as I wanted it to, so I did the pull-out method, got my phone out, got some shots with the 0.5 lens that ended up making it into the final video. Yet another example of equipment being secondary to skills and knowledge. That's pretty much it, boys. And that was pretty much it, boys. After that, I came home, put it together in about a week, delivered it, as well as a short version specifically just for the helicopter stuff, sent it off, and got right to my next project. Without further ado, here's the commercial. Oh wait, did you subscribe? Okay, cool, here it is.